Hello again, herb lovers. Today let's talk about digital pest management, and I'm not talking about the app. What I want to talk to you about today is what to do when you find that your herbs have got some little bugs on them. These chives here, as you can see, have got a bit of an issue happening. They have got some black aphids on them. You can see that there are some dead looking chive leaves here because these aphids are getting in here and they are sap sucking insects. And what they're doing is they are sucking the life out of our herb. So it's early spring as we're filming this. So the first thing you're going to want to be thinking about is feeding your herbs in your pot, because we've gone all the way through winter and things have been good, and now spring's come and everything wants to blossom and grow, and there's obviously not enough nutrition in this pot for these herbs, and the pests have worked out that these chives are in trouble, so they've come in to do what pests do, which is be nature's cleanup team. So the first thing I've done is I've been feeding the herb pot, and I've talked about that before. So we've got some banana skins in here. I've made up a nice seaweed brew and I'm liquid feeding with seaweed. And what I need to do now is try and contain this pest infestation as fast as I can. The reason I said we're talking about digital pest management is because one of the easiest things to do is to remove the leaves that are dying, and then basically run your fingers along these stalks and take out these nasty little sap suckers. The other issue I've got here is that the ants are seeing what's going on. They're moving in because the ants are coming for the sticky sap that these little sap suckers are creating. So we're going to get in here, we're going to clean things up, we're going to feed this herb, we're going to get rid of the dead bits and pieces, we're going to pull as many of these off as we can with our fingers. If you're not quite into the finger sort of squashing detail, what you can do is you can get a nice spray bottle or a good hose, and this is just water in here, and you can spray these and you can actually spray them out of the plant. So you just need to come in here a couple of times a day if you don't want to use any chemicals, and you just spray these nasty little aphids off. And what we're trying to do is make sure that they don't get to the other herbs here. They haven't quite got to the oregano. They're trying, but we're going to cut them off at the pass here by making sure that we spray all of this out of here. If just spraying them off with water isn't working, what you can do is you can put a soap in your spray, and you can make a nice natural soap spray. Just put a little bit of liquid soap in your water and the aphids will not enjoy it. Some people put garlic in, or you can use apple cider vinegar as well. It's one of the other things I like to use in my spray. But it's really about being mindful. This is another good reason to be picking your herbs every day, because you can just nip these pest problems in the bud, and you can see what is happening, and you can make sure that you keep your herbs nice and healthy, and you will continue to be able to pick a really good crop of these when they pick up again. So there you go. If you've got any other ideas about how you're controlling any pests on your herbs, let us know in the comments. Let us know what else you might be struggling with, and other than that, we'll see you again in the next video. Love and lettuce, and bye for now.